See, have a shreddy wheat there.
Oh, no, shreddy wheat is not nutritious. Baby.
That is breakfast. That is normal English people breakfast for babies and for toddler.
Baby, that's why
you can't have the soup so early. It's too early.
That's what the English person do.
It's not even 12 o'clock. You can't give him soup yet.
The Caribbean or African.
He's not gonna drink that soup anyway. It's too early for him. You can't give OJ hard food in the day. He's not gonna have it.
Soup is not hard food. Soup is made of.
I'm just telling you, when it touch them time, he just want tea or something light. When it touch like 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, yeah.
See, clean husband that washes the hand because this is where most people live dirty. If your hand is dirty and you turn this thing and you leave it, it becomes dirty. See? If you clean something with this thing, just wash out the dirty that you clean in it. And then
So
dry
look,
it.
see this spray?
Yeah.
Smell it. So nice. So nice to clean the kitchen top. Kill all the
Spray it on this thing too.
The stove.
Yeah. No, but not with the pot there.
To kill all of the bacteria. You say it smell nice?
Get out! Who are you telling to get out? Baby, I think the paint of this thing is too delicate because look.
Yeah, it come off, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't you think I should take my car to car wash today?
If you want, no problem.
To pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
And I pump it up. Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Yo, pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. You pump it up.
Go look for slippers and you want to go outside.
Okay, how many slippers do you have?
Well,
I mean, do you have...
you just a talk off your mouth because really on a Nigerian man don't do nothing in the house. On no help on the wife. And that.
Listen, every man can do anything at home, but we need peace of mind and respect and gentle reminding, gentle suggestion for us to do these things, not command.
So who command you now? Because me never command you.
Yeah, but it looks like command. You never command me, but it looks like it's very close to command. You know?
I just give you the pats and said you did not finish.
Yeah, but I'm saying you can't give it to Jamaican man like that and say you did not finish like that. Jamaicans, they will curse you.
Well, if a Jamaican man in this kitchen I wash, yeah? To be honest, them I wash down everything. Everything I wash down. Me not have to take up no pot, give them what they leave back behind. And they think they can wash it better than me.
It's true, it's true. We wash things better than
Me never say you, me say Jamaican man. So how comes we, it's true,
men,
it's we.
I'm talking of men now in general. Or me in particular. If I wash
Imagine how you clean out the stuff. And
no, who clean who eat this? Not
I
me.
don't know.
Not me. I don't know. But not me. You see now, I'm washing all these things now. And very soon now you will hurry me up. Let's go here.
I didn't say I want you to go anywhere with me. I'm going by myself. Sometimes I need to do things by myself. I don't need to be dragging you behind me all the time.
Yeah, that's why I'm coming home sometimes unexpectedly, because this is your sudden change of routine activities. And it's getting summer.
I don't understand what you're talking about anyway. Cause which sudden change?
And you
You just like talk, innit?
you buy some equipment. You're getting more sexy every day. You know, it's something to worry about. Something to be happy about, but at the same time, you have to open your eyes and worry about. Watch things. You know, even though I have my secret friends that tell me things, I'm not going to tell you who they are, where they are. Because if I tell you, that means I'm ruining my security network. No people that know you around here, and you know. So.
This is not.
Oh yeah. That's it. You have to be a little too. Big boy! You hungry?
You never make him tea this morning.
Only tea? Since last night he has had only tea.
I mean this morning when you tell if you make him tea.
I make him tea that time.
Oh.
I did. But I don't think it's enough to hold him till now.
So I want to go in the market to get some stuff. And if you got a bank.
Get physical cash.
Hey, in the market, me just want to get meat. That's all. No one nothing else. And maybe vegetable. Make sure you wash your pot good enough.
This pot is supposed to have been soaked since yesterday.
There's nothing in it to soak. Look how you wash it out easy.
There is two places that is stuck.
At Jamaica, they don't even like when you soak pot. They think you're nasty. Somewhere, somehow, you're supposed to wash it out.
If you're supposed to wash it out, that means you're supposed to wash it out immediately after cooking. But this one now, there are two spots here.
Where?
It refuses to come out. You see two spots here.
Oh.
It's stuck.
Two pieces of dumplings sticking out.
I'm going to leave it like this for the moment. When the stove is not clean.
And that me just like ask if you're not cleaning. You can't just clean kitchen part way and not complete it. When you're not there here every day, me I do it. So just like a tiny pot you come in the kitchen and wash. And then if you make complaint. You know how me glad when you wash them up. You feel like one of my work complete. You get me?
I get you. But that means I have no break, even weekend. That's what I was thinking yesterday.
What? You say wash two little plate and make complaint?
Yesterday when I came back from work,
Yeah, what happened?
I was just doing something.
What were you doing?
When I came back here, and I remember.
You never did nothing, Robert. You only look for something for OJ.
Okay, that's certificate, right?
Yeah.
That is not relaxing. That is looking for something. That is not easy. You know? It's clean. Okay. If you're quiet like that, I'm always wondering what you're doing. You see? See how I wash plates clean? First wash with first soap, rinse it, wash with second soap.
Do you not think that I'm wasting a soap?
No, that is to make it wash clean, real clean. Because the first soap will take up a lot of washing it. You see?
But you leave it. You wash half of the plate and you left half.
One day now you
Does
say
it make sense?
One day you say Nigeria and this, Nigeria and that. You see? You see now? Tell me which Nigerian husband will do this thing without arguing.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm not with every Nigerian man. I'm just with you.
Even the Jamaican men too cannot. Jamaican men could wash plates, but
They wash it all the time.
no, on their own terms, not when you give it to them like this and tell them and tell them blah 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 blah. You don't even have the guts to talk to them like that, self, because that pot, that washing pot that day might result in putting fire, or physical fire in the house that day.